Welcome to EarlyUp. Today I'm going to take you through how startups register on the website and launch their product. So in the EarlyUp website, you see a sign up button. So you click on it. It's the sign up process is same as any other website. The only difference is you have to select your role as a startup and then click on next. And after that, you would get an email, um, which where you have the confirmation link like any other website, and your profile is created. So I'm not going to create a new website here. I already have an account, so I will log in. Okay. After signing in, the two important tabs for you would be of course, your dashboard, and then you'd see launch, where you can launch. You can create your profile, and also you can check your notifications. So let's go to launch since we want to create a profile. Before that, I'll just take you to the dashboard, and these are the products that I've created. I'm just going to delete this. So just to show that you can also delete a startup when you go to your product list, and you can add a product from here as well. So it will take you to the same launch button. So you have two ways to have information about your product. So I'll just go back to home. So let's register from here. Great. So let's start filling up information. Or let's have any picture for now in the logo. I just fill up all the details. You can also type in and find what you're looking for. Say product type is like a web app. Select your target audience and what development stage you're at. Say you already launched and you're trying to scale your product for new features, so you need user feedback for that. For example, just have a launch date. Since this product's already launched, let's take something in the past. Say it's launched and open to beta access. So here I've just have some already existing content, so I'm just going to copy paste that. You can use as you all know, you can use AI to generate this content very easily. And description, and make sure you have a lot of information so that investors or anybody looking at your website know what you're offering. So you can also save a draft and come back to it, and I'm just going to click on next, and you can upload product images, upload your pitch deck, which is really important as well. Also product video links, um, and any other testing notes. You can add tags also, and just say you go and save the product. And your product is created. So let's just go click on product and see if new form is here, right here. So I'll just take you to another tab, which is the profile tab. And here you can update all your information, your company size, and also you'd see if, a referral link. For example, you want to refer another startup or another user who wants to, or an early adopter, you could send this link, and then you would get points for each of the person who registers on a website and creates an account, and these points can be redeemed for any of EarlyUp's um, premium features. Now let's go back to the product tab. So you can add as many products you want to here. So this is the product we just created. So first we have these appoint testers. Say for example, you want to go and look for testers who are available. So these are the testers available right now. You can just click and look for information about them, like for example here, you can go through their bio, see the experience level, investment focus, and see if it matches yours. And you can find like testers. And you can also look at, you know, statistics, views, comments, and follows. Right? You could also go and edit your information also. And if you want to delete something, you delete it here. Hmm. Say you appointed a tester for your form. You all you do is just click on hire, and an appointment request is sent, and they would accept their request, and they would start testing your product. Hmm. Here you can look at your testing requests, and sometimes even testers, early adopters, would send you a request, and then you can go through their profile and see if they have the same investment focus, and they have that experience, and then you can approve based on that. And then you'd also have product comments. If somebody has, commented on your website, you can see that here. You can also see a report if they this is especially when people have given you like a rating and left feedback on your website. So you can look at that here, and you have an option to unpublish it as well. Here the next tab is appointment status. You'd know like the all the you know requests that you've got from people, and how many are approved, how many are pending, so you can go and follow up if you want a particular tester to test your product as well. And these are feedback testing reports. So whenever early adopter tests your product, you can look at the report. They give you feedback, and the image is not working here, but you'll get an image also of what exactly is the problem. And then you have feedback rating. Like here, there's a positive rating. So whenever you give a positive rating uh, to a user, you give them a thumbs up on their rating. They and also you can assign points. You can give them like 100 points if you think that feedback given to you was good, and then make sure you do this, because then the users, the early adopters, actually get points on their or points on their platform, which they can redeem for on the EarlyUp website. And if you don't going back, if you don't like somebody's, like say for example somebody's really not tested your products, and you think the feedback is not genuine, you can give them a thumbs down as well, so that we have only genuine people testing your products, and genuine early adopters who are experienced on our platform as well. And the next few tabs will give you the referrals. For example, you sent a referral link to somebody who's registered. So if that person is registered using your referral link, all your reward points will show up here. And also right here, you can look at your wallet. And you can also save other startups as well, because sometimes, a lot of times, startup founders are also investors, so they save their products. And also, you want to follow a new product, somebody who's just posted a product idea, and you want to keep following them on their progress. You could do that right here. And you next, I'm just going to show you the notifications tab, so you're just keep looking at that. So if people keep sending you a request, or any activities tracked here. And that's the EarlyUp platform, from signing up to launching the product, assigning testers and gathering inside. So everything is designed to help startups validate early, grow faster, connect with the right early adopters. Thank you for watching.